Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Concube, and in this video we are going to learn our next case of OLL, that is W shapes. Okay, so this is a full series going on for learning full OLL, which contains of 57 algorithm. Okay, and I am taking cases by cases. Okay, so this is the fourth video, and in this we are going to learn about W shape cases. Okay, so let me show you what is the W shape cases. So you can see over here that this is the W we are going to form. Okay, so if you see like this, you will see this as a W. Okay, so now for recognition first what you need to do, you need to find a W. Okay, as we do in every case, we need to find the shape first. Okay, and second step is to find the corner piece which have single yellow on it, and it will be okay, so you have to find the piece which has single yellow on it, and I can see the corner piece, also known as island piece. Okay, so I find this piece, so we are going to find this piece in the step 2. Okay, or what we can do, we can find out the piece which have two yellow corner. Okay, these two can be the cases. You can try out from anyone. Okay, so what you need to do, this island piece, you always need to keep this piece on the back side, either this case or this case. I have drawn this diagram so like this, so that it get matching. Okay, so you always get this two yellow on this side, that's why I have drawn like this. But to remember, you to perform the algorithm, what you need to do, you need to always put this piece over right here. Okay, so what you can do, you can just you have found this to here, so this is the second case we can also see, and we also see that the island piece is on the back side. Okay, so this is the second case, as this is on the right side and this is on the back side. In both the cases I have put two yellow on the right side just for the recognition, but to remember, always remember that this island piece, whichever the island piece is, like in this, if you see in the diagram, this is the island piece, this should be always in the back side, so you have to rotate it 2 times. Okay, so you have to rotate it 2 times so that it comes at the back side, then only you are going to perform this algorithm. Okay, I'll show you the intuitive part also of this algorithm. So like this is the first case, we know that island piece it at the back, so what you need to do, you need to perform this algorithm. This is the second case, sorry, this is the second case in which you get this at the back, as you can see in the diagram also, and two yellow on the right side. But we need not to see this two yellow, because we are only concerned with the yellow corner piece or island piece. Okay, it should be at the back, then only you can perform the algorithm. Okay, so this is the second case I can see. So algorithm is like this: RUL, RDUL, then again insert this piece over here, RUR, then RD. Then what you need to do, you need to put it here, like put it this piece, this solved edge piece over here, and then fix it up with the sledgehammer. Okay, that means UR, then you can do the sledgehammer, which you already know. Okay, and this will be solved. So if you want to know the finger trick is like this: RUL, RD, then you can use this pinky finger. Okay, or you can just use this finger. Okay, this finger, or just use the pinky finger. Okay, so RUL, then RU again, UR, RD, UR, then you know the sledgehammer. Okay, and it is solved. Okay, so that was the second case. Now we are going to come at the first case. First case is like this: when you have W over here, then what you need to do, first you need, either you can find this. Okay, so this is here according to the diagram, and what you can do, as I already told you, this is in the front, the island piece. So what you need to do, you need to rotate it first. So if you want to write here also, you can use the U2 at first. Okay, if you want to see from the diagram, or if you want to do it intuitively only, then you need not to see any diagram. What you need to do, like you can see this is the first case according to the diagram, and you see the island piece over here, in which this is the basically corner piece which has one yellow overhead. Okay, so this is here, and I already told you this should be at the back before using any algorithm. So this is here, so what you need to do, you need to rotate it 2 times, because now also it is not at back. Okay, so now it's at the back. So what you have done, you have rotated it 2 times. Now what you can do, you can use the first algorithm, and this is basically the replica of the second algorithm. Okay, these both two are opposite. Okay, so let's do it. Now whatever you did from the right side, you need to do it from the left side. Okay, holding your island piece at the back side. Okay, that means LU UR LD. Okay, then again uh, UR LU UL RD, sorry, LD, and then again UL. Then what you need to do, you need to use the sledgehammer from left side. Okay, and this is solved. So now let's do it again, and with the finger trick now. Okay, so this is at the back island piece, and so we perform this algorithm LU UR LD. Then you need to perform this from this hand. Okay, UR. Okay, so this is from this side. Then again LU, then UL, then LD. Then what you need to do, UL, this is the UL, and then what you need to do, you need to do the sledgehammer like this. Okay, and this is gonna be solved. So this was all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. I would be happy to help you. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, you can give this video a thumbs up, and bye bye, meet you in the next video.